Tingnan ko na, ha? Tingnan ko, walang tao. Oh. Umesto ka. Ko. Ko agad, una. Unang-unang bate. Ko. Kita mo?
Na sabi mo papunta na.
Hindi ba okay na ganyan, ha?
Bakit?
Ikaw? Pagkain yan.
Hello.
Sabi ka lang. Hello.
Kinonfirm lang namin yung mga wala. Hindi naman ilalagay mo na. Dadala mo pa yung sa inyo. Bella.
I get so weak. It's like a party's been having all along. Starts to take on me. If the day is so amazing, it's not a thing. I stand. I decided to follow my pride. Oh, so sweet. It must drown my feet. I can't explain why your love is meant to be. After time I try to fight it. Your love is strong and it lives on holding on. Resistance is time when you're around me.
Naka-upload to, nakakaya kayo.
In my condition, I don't wanna be alone. If my heart stops beating triple time, the thoughts of loving you on my mind, I can't figure out just what to do when the control is over you. I get so weak.
Apat na lang ng bote, 3 pa yung bote. Yung trend ko yung hindi makasama ko mga...
Saan mo kaya yung mic?
Nabuelo ko, hindi ko masabay yun eh. Sumara, kahit doon yung patingin.
Lagi ko ng podcast pa.
Ito, kahit doon yung patingin.
Kaya kanya.
Pero wala, napili ako.
Ikaw yung chorus. Alam mo ba yan? Ha?
Isak mata. Isa-isa lang, oh. Hindi.
Ikaw yung babaeng rap ha?
Ano pumili, di ba? Oo. Stop ko, ha?